Hey y'all, it's me, Serena, and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, we do a lot of subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, reviews, with some health and beauty things thrown in, and you never know what you might find on my channel. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, please consider hitting that red subscribe button if you haven't, and give my video a thumbs up. So today, what I have for you guys is the summer edition of a Fab Fit Fun box. This is just my second time doing Fab Fit Fun. My first box was the spring 2021 box, and I just tried it out, and I didn't do a video on it because I got it kind of late in the game, and there had been so many reviews and online videos posted about it, I just didn't bother. But I liked some of the items from my box so much, I decided to go ahead and do it again for summer. And this is the summer box. You can do it a couple of different ways. You can be a quarterly member, which is what I am, and it's $49.99 quarterly. And you get a ton of products in this box. But if you want to be an annual member, you can do, I think it's $180 for an annual subscription, and so that gets it a little bit cheaper per quarter. And I do have a link for $10 off that I'll put below, and I'm pretty sure that Fab Fit Fun participates with Rakuten. So if they do participate with Rakuten, then you'll get cash back, and if you sign up through my link, it'll be a cash back bonus to you as well. So you could get your first box for very little, really, by the time all the discounts are added and rebates are added in. But let's just get right into it. Fab Fit Fun, like it says, there's a variety of products in here. You might get an article of clothing. They always have health and beauty items. I have a hair mask that I got in my spring box that has become my go-to. I love it, and when I run out, I'm gonna buy more. So it's a great way to try some new products that you might not be familiar with. But let's just go ahead and open my box. And you can customize your box too. They will send you emails and say, hey, it's time to customize your box. And you can go in and choose, you know, from a group of things that you want to try to get in your box. This time I didn't customize anything. I just wanted it to be a surprise. So I did not choose any customizations. I just thought, you know, I'm gonna let them send me what they want to send me, and we'll go with that. And that's another perk you get, that if you do the annual membership, is you get more customizations, and you get your box shipped to you a little earlier than those of us who are just the regular quarterly subscribers. So you open up the box, and here's what it looks like. And the top, they always send you some stickers. I'll give those to my daughter or something. They also always have some coupons. So like, here's one for HelloFresh. Here's a coupon to give someone for $15 off their first Fab Fit Fun. So I can share that. And then 50% off your first month. This is like a supplement program. And then this is some kind of wine club. Yeah, they always have a discount on this wine club if you join it. So they throw those things in on top. And then you get the Fab Fit Fun magazine. This little magazine has articles in it about some of the items that are in the box, or showing you how to use them, or different ideas around the items. And also you'll have some recipes in here, and like these bowls right here, those are some of the items that I may have in my box, depending on what they sent me. Those were one of the items that you could choose from, and I just let them choose. But some other information in here. So yeah, you get this little magazine, and they also have a store, an online store, and you get some special discounts if you're a member and shop their online store. So all kinds of information in that little magazine. So let's dig in and see what I got. Okay, first off, I've seen a lot of people with this, and it's fun too to compare my box to some others that I've already seen on YouTube with what they got. This is a little silicone ice cube tray. How cute is that? And the whole thing is shaped like a pineapple, and then the little ice cube things themselves are like pineapples. So that would be really cute for some mixed drinks or just for some summertime beverages of your choice. So that is really cute. What else? Okay, this stuff is awesome. I did not even know that this was one of the items that could have been in my box, but I'm really excited about this. This is the Living Proof brand dry shampoo. It's called PhD for Perfect Hair Day. I got this one time in a sample and I loved it, but I haven't bought any more just because it's a little on the pricey side. And you know, you can get all kinds of dry shampoos cheaper at Walmart or Walgreens or wherever. But this little bottle of Living Proof dry shampoo, this is the 4-ounce size. It comes in this size plus a bigger one, but this is a full size. And that's the nice thing about this box. They're not sending you little jinky samples. It's full-size product. This is around $25 for this bottle of dry shampoo. So it's pricey. So right there, you've got half the value of your box just in this one little product. But this stuff is great. So I will keep this and use it sparingly. So that's awesome. This stuff is great. It smells good. It really cleans your hair and gives you a lot of volume too. So that's awesome. I'm excited about that. Let's see, what is this? This is Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. I better put on my glasses. Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel, enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. And it is by Mine Tan Body Skin. So there you go. So it's just a gel that you put on after you've been out in the sun, or maybe if you've got too much sun and you need something to cool your skin down if you got a little sunburn. And it smells really refreshing. It smells cool, if that makes sense. It smells like aloe and just, it's a cool scent to cool you down. So, and that's a full-size bottle. Let's see, this is 6 ounces. So that's a full-size bottle of that gel. That will come in handy when we head down to the beach later this month. Because I have a big bottle of just the gel, aloe vera gel. This will be nice to travel with because it's not so big. Okay, what else do I have? Barefoot Scientist, smooth things over. This is a little, it's a foot file by Barefoot Scientist. Let me open this up real quick. And I love these kind of foot files. I actually have one right now in my shower, but you know, they get grubby after a while. Oh, it's caught on something. Well, anyway, if I can get it out of here. There we go. So on one side, it's abrasive. It's for scrubbing calluses and things on your feet. And then this side has the additional raised bumps. And then this side is just smooth. So yeah, this side's a lot more rough than this side. So cool. It's a little handheld small one. You could take that with you traveling as well if you don't want like the big foot file. So I will definitely put this to use in my shower. I like to get pedicures just because I am no good at painting my nails, but I do try to take care of my feet in between. So I will definitely put this to use. Another thing that came in my box, and I took a peek at this already because I wasn't sure what it was, and so I unwrapped it. This is by Virginia Woolf, and it is a big wrap sarong thing. And stand up here and show you. It's got great big green palm leaves on it, and then it's got this peachy color flower in it, and it is a really big wrap, so you could wear it like this as a wrap over a dress or something, or carry it with you for nights out when it gets chilly, or if you're on a plane or in a restaurant or whatever, it would be a great wrap like that. You can tie it around your swimsuit as a sarong and use it as a cover up. That would be really pretty with a white swimsuit or a green swimsuit or even that peachy color. So you can wear it like that. And I've never done this, but you can take these things and tie them up over each shoulder somehow. And you see, I don't know how to do it, but you tie it, you bring each side up and tie it around your neck, and it makes like a halter dress. I would have to watch some videos on how to do that because I've never done it. I just know that you can with this. And there's also a way to do it like a strapless dress too. You can twist it around you and tie it like a bandeau here in the front. So a lot of different things you can do with this. So this is really large. It's full size. So that's beautiful. Very summery. Perfect for swim cover up or a wrap in the summer. So that's one of my items, and I'm sure that's probably at least a $30 item. I haven't looked it up, but it's really beautiful. What else do I have? Sensuals, natural and organic skincare, facial vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid, and Edelweiss plant stem cells. So it's a vitamin C serum. And I haven't had any vitamin C serum for a while. It says release 2 to 4 drops of serum into your palm, massage gently onto the face, neck, and décolleté. Use morning and or night, follow with moisturizer. So let's take a look at this. And this is 2 ounces. So it's a full-size bottle as well. Comes in a pretty little glass bottle. And let's see what it smells like. I always like to see how things smell. It smells kind of like orange juice, which makes sense because it's vitamin C. Well, let's see what it feels like. I put a drop here on my hand. Oh, that's nice for a serum because it spreads real easily, but it just feels like water. It's not oily, it's not greasy or anything. It just like spreads and it's already soaked into my hand. And the scent kind of goes away, which is nice. So that would be great. I will try that with my skincare routine. I know that vitamin C and anything with hyaluronic acid is awesome. So I'm not familiar with this brand, but it says this antioxidant-rich serum helps to improve the appearance of skin while working to protect and preserve from external damage. Formulated with vitamin C, E, hyaluronic acid, and Edelweiss stem cells to hydrate and prevent skin from oxidation. Leave skin with a healthy, beautiful glow. So there you go. Got a vitamin C serum, full size, to try. So that's awesome. Let's see, I have a tiny little thing in here. Fruit butter lip mask. Ooh, I love a lip mask, especially in the summertime. Well, anytime really, but let's see, Seraphine Botanicals, fruit, but let's see what this smells like. Here it is. Let's check it out. Oh, so it's in a little tube. Let's see. Okay, this smells coconutty. It smells really good. Let's see what it feels like. So it's pink. Oh yeah, that feels nice. I'm all about some sleep masks too, especially for lips. So, that smells good. That smells really good. So I'm excited to try that. I will try that tonight while I sleep. Love a good lip mask at night. So that's awesome. So let's see. I have, this is my last thing. And this is by Ray Dunn. I think I know what it is. I think I saw it in that magazine. Unless it's something else by Ray Dunn. Yep. It's the little stoneware bowls. One says salsa and one says guac. Isn't that cute? You can put your salsa in here and your guacamole in here, and they have the recipe in there. I saw one for guacamole. They might have had a recipe for salsa too. Oh, and it came with 2 little bamboo spoons to use for each one. Isn't that cute? I used to have some spoons like these that I had bought from Pampered Chef years ago, and I used it for dips and things, and they disappeared somewhere along the way. So now I've got a couple more of these little spoons. Isn't that cute? So let's see. I guess this would be considered one item. I was going to count up how many things I got in this box. So I got the sarong, the Ray Dunn items, this, the serum, the lip mask, that's 5, the foot file, 6, the aloe vera gel, 7, and the dry shampoo, 8. So 8 items for $50. Not too bad, especially when I know that this costs $25. And you know, who knows how much this serum is. I'll try to find it somewhere and link it. I'll look up the prices for you guys. But that's it. That's my Fab Fit Fun box. If it's something you would like to try, you can use my link below and get a discount off your first box. And see if you would like to try the summer one. And you don't have to get these items. You can go in and choose to personalize and choose some different things. I didn't. I just let them have at it and send me a surprise. So, but check it out. Or you might decide you're going to wait and do the fall box. So either way, check out my link below, and also Rakuten. Don't forget, if you sign up with Rakuten, you get $30 bonus cashback rebate on your first purchase of $30 or more if you use my link. So, and that Rakuten applies to so many things: Macy's, Kohl's, Belk, Old Navy, Curator Box participates with Rakuten, so does Wantable and Trunk Club. So lots of things you can get cash back using Rakuten. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you again for tuning in to my latest video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't. And until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.